Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus 11. To do this, you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, look for Microsoft Edge. Select it from the list and hit the install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Here you can customize the browser by signing in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it, accept or disagree with data sharing preference and move on. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.